The Lord continues further, na kartritvam na karmani lokasya srijati prabhu na karma pala samyogam svabhavastu pravartate. It's a very, very beautiful verse. Listen carefully to verses. The Lord says, svabhavastu pravartate. That's a very important word. Life is run according to one svabhava. Svabhavastu pravartate. Ee prapanchamanta, our life, everything, it is going according to a certain svabhava. Svabhavastu pravartate. Now, I am sweating right now. It is a certain svabhava. Nature. Right? We eat the food gets digested. We don't put our finger in the stomach and do nauli, but it gets digested. We go to the toilet, right? Toilet goes. If you closely observe, everything is according to svabhava, svabhava, svabhava. Means according to nature, it is all happening. You eat, you walk, you talk. It's all svabhavastu pravartati. But then, in Vedanta, a distinction is made. There is what is called as two. Svabhava means it's prakriti. According to prakriti and nature, it is going on. But Vedanta says there are two types of nature. You should understand. Right? One is called para prakriti, the other is called apara prakriti. Means there is apara prakriti means lower nature, para prakriti means higher nature. There is a lower nature, there is a higher nature. Now, the question you and I have to decide whether we want to operate from the lower nature or do you want to operate from the higher nature. Right? Walking, talking is all lower nature. Right? Now, when you start now, when you say in the name of lower nature, you getting angry also is a certain svabhava. You have not created anger. Anger is happening. If you are jealous also, it is svabhava. But what type of svabhava you have to understand? It is what is called apara prakriti. It is lower nature. Like even, please understand this. Now, they are raw material. Now, you take a raw material, raw oil, you refine it, it becomes refined oil. So, therefore, refined machineries are there. You take it, refine it, and from an oil, you can even make a scent also, a fragrance. So, therefore, there is a raw material, there is a refinery, and from a refinery you can make oil or a scent, and by which so many other benefits are there. From a direct raw material you may not have that much of benefit, but by a refinery you refine it, it becomes an oil, it becomes a scent, etc., etc. Now, raw material also is svabhava according to prakriti. Refining it is also according to nature, prakriti. Both are prakriti. Right? But the question is, please see, one is apara prakriti, another is para prakriti. Now you get angry. No, anger, you have not sit and chiseled out anger. Anger has just come out of you. It is also nature, prakriti. But what type of prakriti it is? It is what is called apara prakriti. It is like a raw material. Now, please see if you can transform this raw material, anger, right? Then please you can convert anger into a refined material wherein you are a master of anger, not a victim of anger. When you are a master of anger, it is para prakriti. If you are a victim of anger, it is apara prakriti. That's why there's a beautiful dialogue between Lord Krishna and Balarama. Balarama gets very angry. Balarama is known for his anger. He gets angry and tells, right, Satyaki, I can't understand my brother Krishna. He doesn't get angry at all. Yadavas are not at all grateful. From that time, Yadavas were not grateful. Leave now. Yadavas are not grateful. Krishna has done so much to the Yadavas, are not grateful there, and Lord Krishna is not getting angry. Balarama, the elder brother of Lord Krishna, now tells Satyaki, and Lord Krishna smiles. And Balarama gets more angry. Look at him smiling now. And Lord Krishna says, who says I don't get angry? He says, I get angry. But the difference between your anger and my anger, Balarama, my brother, is when you get angry, your eyes are closed, you lose balance. But when I get angry, my eyes are open and it goes to a meaningful goal. Your anger is rajasic anger, my anger is sattvic anger. When I get anger, my actions goes to a meaningful goal. But when you get angry, you lose balance. And therefore, Lord Krishna is endorsing his anger, but that anger is a controlled anger. So when your anger is controlled anger, please see it is para prakriti. It is a purusha lakshana to be angry also, but it should be controlled anger. That's why in the Navarasas, please do my live workshops. If at all we organize here, we are not done, we are done only Om Mind Relax Please program here. The organizers are working for my live workshops. I work on Navarasas, and then we say among the Navarasas, Hasya, Adbhuta, Shringara, Veera, Karuna, Bhayanaka, Raudra. Raudra is one of the rasas. Anger is rasa. Please understand, not that anger is bad, but when you become a victim to anger, that is a problem. When you are a master of anger, it is a strong missile. So therefore, I am trying to convey, just getting angry, not that you have chiseled out anger. Anger also is a raw material, raw energy, but it is apara prakriti. But then anger coming out of deep awareness, then you are a master of anger. Then the right time you use anger there. When you use anger, you are not used by anger. Such an anger is para prakriti. So therefore, the great challenge for us is, there is lower nature operating, there is higher nature operating. Right? Now, whereas animals can just operate according to their nature, but man and woman, you human being, have an option. You operate from a lower nature and you master your lower nature, master your jealousy, master your anger, master your upset. When you master it, it becomes para prakriti. So therefore, swabhavastu pravartate. Everything is swabhava. I am sweating right now. I am not tickled my sweat glands. It is happening. Right? Everything is swabhava. But please understand, if you operate from a higher nature, then you are a master and not a victim to situation. To master this, you have to increase your awareness, increase your chaitanya. Please get this. Right? You have to increase your awareness. Right? It seems Mullah Nasruddin, a Sufi mystic, was caught by the police. He was caught by the police because he was very good in entering into the houses, house breaking. When he went to the jail there, right, his friend tells him, "Hey, you have trained so many years, you got trained. When you enter into the house not to get caught. How did he get caught?" Mullah tells his friend in the jail, "I do not know, 5 years I made sure to enter into my boss' house and rob. I made sure that I don't stamp on a dog. So I became a friend to the dog, my boss friend, dog. I became friend. 5 years, I made sure I don't stamp on the boss dog so I can get inside and rob." Then what happened, he said. "But I stamped on the cat," he said. "I avoided the dog, but I stamped on the cat." The question is, many of us program ourselves so mechanically. I'm not endorsing you robbing, but even in robbing, you should be very alert. Even in robbing also, you should be very alert. And in spiritual life, you should be more alert. And what is that you have to be alert? You have to be alert to the fact, are you operating your lower nature or higher nature? The moment, let us say, jealous, you get jealousy. See, have you seen a lot of people, they become unhappy not because of their unhappiness. They see somebody happy, they become unhappy. And whenever your mind becomes happy by seeing somebody happy, you become unhappy. Now, this unhappiness you have not created. Svabhavastu pravartate. Everything is svabhava. But the question is, do you want that to rule your life? Or operate from your higher chakras, operate from a higher nature, and when your jealousy comes, say no to jealousy. Hey, she is more beautiful than me, you feel jealous. And that moment, that is swabhava. But higher nature is, she is more beautiful than me. So wonderful. How wonderful God has created. She is more beautiful. Learn to rejoice somebody's beauty. Learn to rejoice somebody's success. Learn to rejoice somebody's success. When you start doing, you are operating from your higher nature. And when you operate from the higher nature, what happens? Please see, you are again svabhavaha, but then a different type of svabhava. The moment you operate from the higher nature, please see, body also is God's nature. Chaitanya also is God's nature. Body also you and I have not created. The consciousness also you and I have not created. Both is the Lord. But when you identify with the body, you are living in the basement of your life. When you identify a body, you are living at the basement. You have multi-stories living in the basement. But if you go higher, then you will see the whole Vizag in a much better when you go from the top. So too, when you operate from your Paraprakriti, higher nature, you can look at life very, very different. And therefore, in that higher nature, from the angle of Chaitanya, the Lord says, na kartritvam na karmani. From higher nature, you are not the doer. Little more Chaitanya, if you see, I am talking right now, you think I am talking. It's the biggest illusion if I say I am talking. Recently, I was given, Times of India did a survey. I'm not trying to show off, I'm trying to convey something. All right, Times of India did a survey, who is the best speaker on all counts. They placed me as the best speaker on all counts. So a lot of my students very happy. Swamiji, you have been rated as the best speaker by Times of India from all counts, means humor, knowledge, language, everything. Right, so they're all happy. How do you feel? I said, this voice I have not created. This brain I have not created. Including this nose I have not created. Where is that for me to be proud? I can be only grateful, grateful, grateful. Nothing else. Isn't it, friends? Honestly, look, this is using Paraprakriti. Right? This voice I have not created. What brain I have not created. Right example, even though I write down a right example to give. But most of the time I give some other example. Right? So therefore, how my brain gets to a right example I have not created. It is all svabhavastu pravartate. But when I operate from higher, even though I have been honored as the best speaker, blah, 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 lot of my books have been bestsellers. I want all of you to read all my books. Some of you must have read, right? In practically all languages, my books have become bestsellers. Right? If I say, oh, you should be arrogant. If I am arrogant, konyos the sadisho maya, then it is my lower nature. When I become grateful, it is by God's blessing it has happened there, then it is Paraprakriti. So therefore, our life is a constant struggle. Nobody can avoid struggles in life. Please understand, nobody can avoid struggles in life. How many of you are married? Raise your hand. All of you are struggling, isn't it? If you're not struggling, your wife must be struggling. How many of you are not married? Raise your hand. You are also struggling, no? How many of you have one wife? Raise your hand. How many have? Some of you are counting. How many of you have many wives? So one wife, one struggle. Many wives, variety of struggle. Right? Everybody has struggles. The question is, we should make our struggles sacred. We should make our struggles sacred. And the moment you make a struggle sacred, you find struggle is not such a great struggle. That is bringing Parakriti. Yeah, మీరు మాట్లాడకూడదు. మాట్లాడితే కింద కూర్చోండి. Please understand, everybody has to go through struggle. You have to make a struggle sacred. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now you may say, I'm sweating. I can say, my God, I'm sweating. People are not compassionate towards me at all. They have not put a fan. Going. I can crumble and be miserable. All right? I can also feel happy. I'm sweating. My God, people generally in Bangalore, you have to jog to sweat. Here, the Punya Bhumi of Vizag is so good. Naturally, it sweats. That's why it's a Punya Bhumi. Bangalore, you have to jog to sweat. Here, automatically, by default, there by design also you don't sweat. So therefore you see, when I am then sweating is not a problem. Are you getting what I'm saying? Sweating is not a problem. So you have to make your struggles sacred, and therefore how to do, please understand